This is a 2010 Honda Ridgeline. This truck has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, XM satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a locking rear differential, traction control and stability control systems, alloy wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, 7 intelligently positioned speakers, a passenger side vanity mirror, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, full power accessories, a home link feature, and this vehicle has less than 59,000 miles. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.